What's up guys, it's always me, Johnny, and today is gonna be a quick video because as many of you as requested, I'm gonna show you the capability of this Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra to charge very fast at 67 watt with wire and also 67 watt with also wireless charging. So as you can see right here, I have the wireless charger. So this is the wireless charger that comes with the Mi 11 Ultra. I'm gonna show you just a little bit. The design is really cool. I like it very much. And you have this prism right here. It is like transparent and very cool. You have this smart design right here to just embrace your phone and so it doesn't fall. You can see right here there is a little hole. I don't know if you can see it very well from the camera because under the charger there is a little fan. I don't know if you can see it inside. You can see right here the fan because this is 80 watt and you can see it written right here. This is a very fast charger, also wireless. And as I said in the unboxing of this one, you don't have any phone with 80 watt wireless charging, but it is like future proof, we can say, because if in a year comes out like a phone with 80 watt charger, you can charge it with this also. And so I think it's a really cool thing. So in the back, we have a USB-C, of course. And here we have a small sign that it lights up when you connect your phone on the charger and it indicates that your phone is charging good. So we're gonna test it right now, how it works. I mean, it's very easy, but I'm gonna tell you also the pros and cons of this wireless charger. So let's check it out, how it works. So as you probably saw in the unboxing of this wireless charger, we have also a wired charger, and this is a very big one because this is 120 watt charger. So you can connect it to that one, and also you can connect it directly to your phone. Of course, it's gonna charge at the maximum of your phone, so it's not gonna go over it. If this one is charging at 67 watt, this one is not gonna go at 120 watt, of course. So we have a USB Type A in the back. I don't know why, because it could be more useful with an USB-C to USB-C, but anyway, it is like this and we have to keep it like this. So you just connect the USB-C in the back of the charger and the fan is gonna activate itself and you're gonna see this light right here blinking, but with the lights in the studio right here, you cannot see it very well, but it is pretty much ready. So we can take the phone, we can just leave it on the charger and then it's gonna charge himself. Easy as that. So it's gonna take a second to go at the maximum of the power. Yeah, you can see 67 watt max of charging power. So it is very fast. And as I said before, under the charger you have some fans. So you have just one fan. It's gonna spin really fast to cool off this charger because it is going to warm up a little bit actually while charging at the maximum of power. Apart from that, you can see that with the Mi 11 Ultra, you can see it is pretty much made for this phone because it is going perfectly aligned with the camera bump right here, and it is perfectly made for this one. I mean, for this also, this white version, it is perfect. I mean, it does match really well. So as I said before, you can hear pretty much the fan spinning. I don't know if you can hear it from the camera, but it is spinning very fast. And actually on the settings side of wireless charging, so you go in battery right here, then you click the options, and then here you will find an option that says quick wireless charging. So you can see right here, quick wireless charging, and if you activate this one, the fan is gonna spin a lot faster and you can hear it very well. So probably you will not hear it from the camera, but it is a little bit noisy, and so this is actually a downside of this wireless charger because it is pretty much noisy. And I didn't find actually yet a method to deactivate the fan and maybe leave it at a low power energy, because if I want to charge my phone like slowly and I know I don't want the fan activate, I don't have any option for now, but probably in the future it could come some software update for also the charger, because if now I can just modify the fan inside, so the fan speed, I could probably in the future just turn it off. I mean, I hope so, because if somebody wants to charge their phone at nighttime, for example, you cannot charge it with this charger because it is very noisy. And it is working very good. It is working with pretty much any phone. So I have a standard Mi 11 right here, and I have a cover on the phone, so it doesn't make any problem. I mean, you don't have any issue. You just put the phone on the charger and it's gonna charge to the maximum. And if I'm not wrong, we have 50 watt charging speed on this Mi 11 standard. So 50 watt here and 67 on the Mi 11 Ultra. So on this Mi 11 we have like a 5000 milliampere battery, so it is a big one. And with this charger you can just charge it up to 100% in pretty much half an hour, more or less half an hour, and it is pretty fast. It is blazing fast. And also it is very handy because you just put this charger on your desk. I mean, while you're working, you just put the phone on the charger and it's gonna charge like very fast. Like for 5 minutes you get a lot on your battery, and this is a very good thing and very handy, as I said. Also, if you want to charge like other phones other than Xiaomi, you can, of course, because it is wireless. So just take a phone that is compatible with QI charging, so wireless charging, and just leave the phone on the charger and it is gonna charge anyway. So this is the iPhone 12 mini, and actually you can see it is charging right now. And with this type of phone, the fan is not gonna activate because it is going to charge the phone at the maximum of probably 15 or 25 watt, and it doesn't need any fan, so the fan is not gonna activate, but it is going to charge anyway. So of course, another pro side of this charger is that you can just unplug the charger right here and just plug it in your phone, and you have the maximum power on your wired charging too. You can see it says Mi turbocharge and it is charging to 67 watt continuous. So anyway, that being said, I think this is a very cool charger because it is very useful, very handy to have it. But I think the only thing that it misses is a little bit of customization. Maybe also if you, for example, you just turn on the do not disturb mode or maybe the silent mode on your phone, that one should recognize that setting and just maybe turn off the fan. Maybe if you put your phone in do not disturb, maybe for the night, that charger should recognize that and just turn off the fan so it doesn't make any noise. I think this is the only complaint that I have for that charger. For any other aspect, I think it's a great solution. I mean, it's a little bit expensive, but if you want a great charger and also very good looking, and why not a little bit future proof because it is 80 watt, I think you can go for that. If you have a Xiaomi phone, maybe you have the Ultra one, I think it is a good choice because also it matches the phone, especially if you have the white version. Very cool to have on your desk. I like it very much. And nothing. I think for now that's it. If you have any other question on this charger, just let me know down below in the comments. And also if you liked this video, just hit a like button because it's free and it will be very helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe right now if you haven't already, because it will be very much appreciated by me. Thanks for watching. I think I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.